In this video, you will see how to increase thickness of font in Word document. It's very easy. First, select the text using a mouse or a keyboard, and after selecting the text, right click on the selected text and then click on font option. You will see this font window. Under the font style, you need to select here bold, and you can see the preview here. So as soon as I select the option bold, as you can see the text has become bold now, and then click on OK. You can also go to the fonts option and then select the different font, for example Arial black, and this will also increase the thickness of the font. The bold option is also available here. You can just select this option by clicking on the bold button to increase or decrease the font thickness. You can also use the keyboard shortcut. Press and hold the Ctrl button on your keyboard and then press B. For Mac users, it is Command B. In this way, you can increase thickness of font in Word document quickly. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.